Hey, I'm Gautam.
And I'm Parul.
We are the founders of Springboard. I'm really delighted to say that we are launching the UX career track. This is a new program that we're able to offer our students. It's going to take people all the way to getting a career in UX design. It's going to help you land a job.
There are three main components of the UX career track. The first is a curriculum that's curated from the best resources from the very best experts in the industry. The second one is real-world projects that help you craft a really unique portfolio. And the third is personalized career services and a job guarantee, where if we are not able to help you find a job within 6 months of graduating, we'll refund your entire tuition back.
One of the things we hear a lot from hiring managers is that when they are looking at UX design applicants, they see a lot of cookie cutter portfolios. What we do is we want every single student who's graduating to have a unique portfolio, and for that we match them with an industry project so they work on a real world challenge with the help of their mentor, and by the time they graduate they really are able to showcase work that they did that's real world but also is unique to them.
We hope to see you in the UX career track.